Hello po, isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay February 13, 2023, Monday. At one day to go na lang ay Valentine's Day na. Mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa The Stock Market today. Ang ating news feature ay tungkol po sa Meralco. Ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer. Nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw kong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. At kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, February 13, 2023, dito lamang sa The Stock Market today. Okay, ang ating special news ay galing po sa Meralco, pero bago po yan, ang ating mga headlines po muna. Meralco secures 300 megawatts deal for emergency power supply. Ito po ang ating main news. Citicorp Renewables sets 2023 capital spending at 800 million. Lahat pong ito ay galing po ng Business World. And dito po sa ating top stories, BSP may deliver 50 basis point rate hike. Yan din po ang aking guess. 50 basis point rate hike dahil soaring ang inflation, lalong-lalo po sa area ng agrikultura. Pero tunghayan po natin ang ating main news. Meralco secures 300 megawatt deal for emergency power supply. Magkano kaya ito? No? Tingnan natin. The Manila Electric Company has secured another 300 megawatt emergency power supply to partly cover its 670 megawatt deal with unit SMC Global Power Holdings Inc. that remains suspended. Out of the 670 megawatt supply we lost from SPPC or South Premier Power Corp, we have secured another 300 megawatt that will last until February 25. Hopefully, that will help augment the power that we badly needed and manage somehow the cost, Joe Saldarriaga, Meralco spokesperson and head of corporate communications, said in a media briefing last week. Emergency power supply agreement was secured on February 3 with Aboitiz Power Corp's GN Power Diningdin Limited. In December, Meralco secured an EPSA for 300 megawatts with Aboitiz Power at a rate of 596 per kilowatt hour from December 15 up to January 15, 2023. The power was sourced from Aboitiz Power's power plant under GNPD. The 670 megawatt capacity is supposed to be covered by Meralco's PSA with SPPC, which was agreed upon in 2019 for a period of 10 years at 4.2455 per kilowatt hour. Ito po yung original na agreement nila with Meralco. However, the deal was indefinitely suspended after the injunction issued by the appellate court in January. So wala siyang sinabi kung magkano, no? Yung deal niya dito. Anyway, we will find that out in the coming days siguro, no? So it may be that hindi pa previous si Meralco on disclosing how much it will be. But definitely, this will be higher than the 4.2455 that they have agreed upon with SPPC before nagkaroon ng injunction. Sana po ay magkaroon na ng linaw ito. No? In the meantime, let's check your comments. And I think I saw some here. Sabi ni Cyborg, good morning sir. Pa-review po kay Mer, undervalue pa po. I think na-review ko na yan last time, di ba? Pero kung undervalued or overvalued, check natin. Ha? Okay, next we have Reg Lagman. I think Mer was expected to be excluded from the MCSI, but that didn't happen. So perhaps yun nga yung nangyari, no? Hindi yung ito kasi bumagsak siya, akala kasama, tapos biglang tumaas. Okay, that may be the reason. Yan po, may gap up siyang malaki. Yan. And then right now, nagdidip. Hindi naman nagdidip, kundi nagko-consolidate. So probably yun nga yun. Reg, maaring tama ka. Thank you. Okay, so right now, it's 10:55 and let's check the PSE index. It's up 8.65 points but it's just moving sideways. So ito mukhang consolidation area po ito eh. Ito pong area yan. And it's a flag pababa, no? Yung consolidation niya. At makikita po natin yung ating indicators ay up pa rin, no? Bullish pa rin yung medium and long term, samantalang ang short term natin ay crossing over, meaning turning bearish na po. Samantala naman, ang ating most active stock ay tignan po natin. Ang most active po ay Wilcon at 0.46%, followed by BDO up at 1.04, then SM at 0.033, MPI is up 1.66. So tingnan po natin mamaya. As the index closes, I will be back. Don't go away. Okay, we're back. And tingnan po natin ang index. Okay, bumaba po ang index. 38.03 points ang baba. Nasa 6838.76 or 0.55% down. And let's put up our indicators. On the short term po, bearish po siya. But on the long and medium term, ay bullish pa rin. Nasa ilalim pa po ng candlestick. Pero mukhang pababa po yung trend niya dito on the short term. RSI is at 4720. No? Bearish number po yan. And then sa market activity, 99 companies ang bumaba. 101 ang umabante. 39 ang hindi nagbago. All share index ay bumaba ng bahagya, 0.28%. Ngayon, ang sectoral indices ay mixed. Financials, industrials at mining ay umakyat, samantalang ang holding companies, properties at services ay bumaba. Ang ating most active stock ay BDO, pangalawa po ang Metro Pacific, pangatlo ang GTCAP at pang-apat ay SM. Yan po, malaki po yung akyat ng Metro Pacific, 4.27, samantalang ang GTCAP ay 3.77%. So, meron pong isang comment dito, si Errol Postrado. Good afternoon. Pa-review nga po ng tech. Yung fundamentals kung pwede po i-hold for short term. Salamat po, God bless. Wala po kasi sa coverage ni BDOSEC yung tech eh. Hindi po siya kasama. Pero, ang masasabi ko lang po dito sa tech ay okay. Ang tech po kasi ay isang integrated technology company. At meron po siyang dollar-denominated stocks at merong peso-denominated stocks. Ano? Tech is a holding company of Sirtech Electronics Corporation and Sirtech Electronics International. Through these subsidiaries, the company is primarily engaged in activities to manufacture and sale of semiconductor packages. So more or less po, TCB2A, Tech, yung tinitingnan po kasi natin ay peso eh. Ito po, no? Yung Tech, puntahan natin si Tech. Peso po yan. Peso denominated, pero meron po siyang dollar, no? Dollar TCB2A. Hindi, TCB2, yeah, it's TCB2A, yung kanyang dollar, no? Preferred shares po yun, 9.25 po yung kanyang rate, ano? From 6 kasi nag-step up po siya, hindi po siya nag-redeem last December. Anyway, hindi po kasi kasama sa coverage ni BDOSEC yung tech. So, I cannot give you the fundamentals, but yun po, just a backgrounder. Semiconductors po ang negosyo ni tech. Pero makikita niyo po yung kanyang candlestick ay, yes, last Friday ay sumipa po siya, no? 0.91%, almost 1%. At 3 centavos, naging 333 from an opening of 330. So malaking jump po ito. And what would account for it? Hindi ko po alam kung bakit po nag-jump po ng ganito, no? Probably good news on their financials, probably. No, I'm just guessing, but yun po ang aking guess. And right now, nagko-consolidate lang po siya, slightly up. Sorry, last Friday pala, nag-jump po siya ng 14.98%. So from an opening of 286, nag-end po siya ng 330 or 43 centavos up. Ngayon po ay slightly up lang po siya at 0.91, but it is a very big jump at bullish na po ito, no? Dahil pareho pong may volume, so expect in the coming days na magkakaroon po siya ng activity towards an upward movement if this trend will continue. So yun po ang aking take sa tech. Bullish po siya, 63.19 po ang RSI. Next, let's take a look at Meralco. Okay, nagko-consolidate lang po si Meralco. And maaring tama, no? Yung sinasabi ni yung isang subscriber natin na the market was expecting it to be excluded from the MSCI, pero hindi siya tinanggal. So maaring kaya nagkaganito ang takbo ni umakyat po siya with a huge gap up. Ito po yung gap up niya. So right now it's just consolidating at this level, nasa 308. It is already bullish. Yung gap up po or yung akyat niya noong Friday, from a bearish standpoint, naging bullish na po ito. Okay, ayan. Nag-freeze kasi yung text sa screen eh. So yan po ang Meralco. At there is a huge gap up here. At ngayon po ay nagko-consolidate lang po siya. Support is at 282.78. Resistance is at higher resistance, or resistance is at 323. Yun po si Mer. Okay, next we have BDO. Si BDO po ay nagko-consolidate lang po dito sa itaas sa 126. Yun po ang bagong resistance na kanyang pinoform. But before that, from this point here, September 30 up to January 13, 2023 ay umaakyat po siya ng steady. Pero from this point on, January 13 ay bigla po siyang sumipa at nagko-consolidate lang po. So si BDO ay dahan-dahan po siyang umaakyat, pero may biglang akyat po siya dito, probably because of good fundamentals and results of operations ng banking in general, no? So yun po ang dahilan kung bakit umaakyat po si BDO. And for a while ay nag-93 po yan nung June. Tapos bumaba rin nung August, bumaba rin po ng October. So that was the time to buy po. Kasi po pagka bumaba po ganyan, huwag po kayong matakot sa BDO, aakyat po uli yan. Okay, next we have Metro Pacific. Si Metro Pacific sa mahabang panahon ay tingnan nyo po, umaakyat po siya ngayon eh. Pero for a long time, from November 2021 up to December 2022, downwards po ang general movement niya. Tingnan niyo po yung black line, pababa. So I drew a parallel channel there. But on January 10, ay bigla po siyang umakyat because of news and probably because of people noticing Metro Pacific is so undervalued. And news na binibili po siya ng isang Japanese company. Pero people realized that it was already undervalued. So ngayon ay umaakyat siya uli at meron po siyang volume today, ha. So Akyat po siya ng 4.27% and the trend is bullish. Support is at 4.06. 4.51 naman po ang resistance. Before po, ang pinaka-support po niya ay 331. So, ang laki po ng jump. Yun po, at paakyat po ang at kanyang RSI nasa 66.17 po siya. Then finally, we have GTCAP. Si GTCAP, okay, paakyat po siya, and since December 2022 ay steadily moving upwards po siya up to February 13, 2023 ay paakyat pa rin po siya. It follows the short-term indicator, yung EMA 20. Okay, 550 po ang GTCAP ngayon. And from this low point here, na 395, it gained a lot. No? Measuring nga natin. Let's measure it. Yan, more or less po, na gain po siya ng 40.41% from December 19 to the present February 2022, or about 37 transaction days. Yun po, in 56 days or 37 transaction days po, you could have gained 40.41%. So, nasabi ko na ba ang support and resistance? 511 po ang support, 565 po ang resistance. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-13 ng Pebrero. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.